Cargo pants are pants with pockets that are slightly flared at the bottom. They are made at... Hello, Natalie Falenko in my online school of Italian tailoring, Best Couture. In this and the following video tutorials, you will see how any trousers are sewn. That is, based on these video tutorials, you can learn how to sew pants, shorts, and Bermuda shorts. The principle is the same for everyone. You can make patch pockets for trousers in any quantity and at any distance. You will see how this inner pocket is sewn. And an external pocket as well as a lock and a belt. I invite you to watch, subscribe to the channel, put like. For those who want to get ready-made Italian patterns for cargo trousers that you see on the screen, go. Follow the link in the description and receive a link to download patterns. So let's get started. This is the front and you can see the pocket cut out. Be sure to follow the direction of the thread so that the trousers do not twist. We pin the parts and cut them out, making a 1 cm seam allowance at the bottom, a 4 cm allowance. This is the pocket itself, that is its inner part, which is visible from the outside. But I will cut out this inner invisible part from another thinner material. For this part, I will make the facing from the main material. You will see it later. You can see how to cut cargo pants from the database in my Best COUTURE online school by clicking on the link in the description. Now I'm starting to cut out the fabric, holding the material so that it doesn't move on the table. I modeled and cut these trousers from a basic pattern to fit my body shape. You can download the basic pattern on my website. You can adjust the basic pattern to your individual figure by changing the girths and lengths of the product. From this base, you can already model any trousers. I invite you to courses that will be held in a group, that is, twice a week. Where I will personally tell you how to model any product. We will start with the blouse and then move on to jackets, skirts, and trousers. This way you can make any wardrobe to suit your figure. Next, we cut out the pockets. You will see in the following videos how they will be sewn. I'll make small cuts where my pocket is. Cut the zipper and move on to the next part, the back of the trousers. Pants of this style are very fashionable. Now my daughter asked me to sew them. And now I will show you the result of my work today. Here is a shirt with pockets. Sophia, did you like it? Yes, yes. This is what you really wanted, and this is our dog. The trousers that I sewed for my daughter really liked. In addition, I gave a lesson to her and her friends and they cut them together. It is important to introduce girls to needlework. This can become their profession or a necessary skill in life. We leave 4 centimeters for the lock. On one side, these centimeters will bend completely. And on the other half, there will be 2 centimeters. That is, if our waist circumference is 65, then I should make the belt plus 2 centimeters and another 2 centimeters for the button, and that's 4 centimeters. In the zipper area, we need to have a button tail like this. I remove the needles and make cutoffs in the pocket area. And I move on to the belt. The fabric for the belt should be flat and should not stretch. Be sure to glue the belt with adhesive fabric. Next, you cut out a pocket consisting of 2 parts. And a patch pocket with a flap. My channel already has detailed information on how to sew pockets like this. But I'll explain it to you again. Cut out the lining and the facing, which is sewn on first after being treated with an overlocker. And it is sewn to the bottom pocket. Then we connect the 2 parts face to face. This is the result. Connect the face with the face in the pocket and give a line here in this area. And we make 2 cuts, turn the pocket inside out and iron it. Make sure that the wrong side does not come out. You can give a finishing stitch, but in this material I will not do it. And then we line the lower pocket. We connect it with this part, you see, using a stitch and an overlock. In the future, this detail will not be visible because it will be hidden behind the lock. That is, we will also have an overlocker here and everything will be a clean cut. Next, we move on to the connection along the side and step seams. After processing the side seam, we make patch pockets on the side seam. And then we connect the back and front together along the inside seam. In further lessons, you will see the sewing of these trousers. I hope you liked the cutting lesson. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you need Italian patterns, follow the link in the description. Trouser patterns from size 36 to 48. They can be increased as I already explained in my lessons along the lines of increasing the size range. See you in the next video. Subscribe and like.